Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first edition of Fayetteville NC Food Truck Locations Food Truck Tryouts. That's right, your host, the Rooster, with you, and we are traveling this morning to a little town called Bethany, North Carolina. About the most exciting thing. So what got you guys inspired to set up a food truck?
When Jeff was younger, he worked at a grill in Oxfordville called Holly's Grill. And the owner, Delmer Hollingsworth, inspired him to do things like this. He loves to cook, he cooks at home. And so he decided he wanted to do a food truck. So here we are. I support him in whatever he does.
That's the secret right there. Split them open.
South, the red hot dog, the anonymous Brightleaf, that's what everybody seems to look for. And I see you have a Brightleaf logo on your trailer. Tell us about the products that you guys have.
We have the Brightleaf hot dogs. If it ain't red, we don't want it. We get our sausage from Carly Seasoned Done. They make it up for us. We cut it in lengths. It's a little bit longer than a hot dog bun. He splits it in half. We also have old-fashioned hamburgers. We buy the ground beef and we patty it out ourselves. I make the slaw at home, chop up the onions, we make the chili, and then we just have normal condiments. Bologna. Oh, we have the Brightleaf bologna also.
We got
sliced thick.
Thick cut.
We got